Friends, let us discuss today question answers of chapter Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. The first question is, whom did Bipin Babu talk to and why? Answer: Bipin Babu talked to Dinesh Mukherjee to confirm about the Ranchi trip. There was only one way to confirm, which was to confirm with Mr. Mukherjee, as Parimal said that he was there with Bipin Babu in Ranchi. Question 2. Why did Bipin Babu hesitate talking to Dinesh Mukherjee? Answer: Bipin Babu hesitated talking to Dinesh Mukherjee because he did not want to go through face-to-face embarrassment if Bipin was wrong. He was afraid that Dinesh Mukherjee will think that Bipin Babu had gone mad. Moreover, he knew how merciless he could be when he was being sarcastic. Sarcastic means the use of words which say the opposite of what you mean as a way of hurting or mocking someone. Question 3. Chunni kept turning up like a bad penny. What does this statement mean? Answer: Bipin Babu wanted to avoid Chunilal, but he kept on appearing before him again and again. Appearing like a bad penny means appearing at a place where one is not welcome. Question 4. Why did the man stare at Bipin Babu in disbelief? Answer: The man stared at Bipin Babu in disbelief because Bipin Babu did not recognize him. The man, Parimal Ghosh, was taken aback when Bipin Babu failed to recognize him and even refused to have been to Ranchi, where they seemed to have met first. Question 5. Where did Bipin Babu say he went in October 58? Answer: Bipin Babu said that he spent the puja holidays in October 58 with a friend in Kanpur. His friend's name was Haridas Bagchi. Question 6. Mention any 3 things that Parimal Ghosh knew about Bipin Babu. Answer: Parimal Ghosh knew the following about Bipin Babu. Number 1. He had no children. Number 2. He had lost his wife 10 years ago. His wife was dead and his only brother had died in the same year in mental hospital, and that's why, according to Parimal Ghosh, he did not visit mental hospital in Ranchi. Question 7. What did Mr. Mukherjee say? Did it comfort Bipin Babu or add to his worries? The question means whatever Mr. Mukherjee said, hearing that, was Bipin Babu comfortable or he became more worried? Answer: Mr. Mukherjee said that they had indeed gone to Ranchi in 58. Mr. Mukherjee told him that he had been out twice that year, and the second time was with Bipin Babu, which he assumed Bipin would remember. This left Bipin Babu more worried. He could not make out how could he forget about the Ranchi trip. Question 8. Who was Chunilal? What did he want from Bipin Babu? Answer: Chunilal was an old schoolmate of Bipin Babu. They went the same school. But at present, he had been going through very hard time and wanted help from Bipin Babu to get a job. Question 9. Had Bipin Babu really lost his memory and forgotten all about a trip to Ranchi? Answer: No. Bipin Babu had not really lost his memory and forgotten all about a trip to Ranchi. Bipin Babu never took a trip to Ranchi in 58. It was all a plan made by Chunilal to take revenge from Bipin Babu for not helping him with a job during his hard times. That is all for today. Thank you.